welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making barbecue chicken within the Instant Pot, so stay tuned. So first we're going to go ahead and wash our chicken. No one wants hairy chicken, so as you can see, I'm just running lukewarm water over the chicken and just plucking any hairs that I see, just to ensure that my chicken is as clean as can be. After we wash our chicken, we're going to go ahead and season. First, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of parsley, followed by 1 teaspoon of this brown sugar bourbon seasoning, followed by 1 teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, and then we're just going to go ahead and mix that all in. Now I'm going to add some olive oil, followed by 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to my chicken. Now that we have seasoned our chicken, we're going to go ahead and turn on our crock pot and start sauteing some onions and garlic. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter, followed by a half of chopped onions and 1 teaspoon of garlic. I'm going to just be sauteing these until my onions are nice and soft and caramelized. Once my onions are finally cooked down, I'm going to add a half a cup of water, followed by my chicken. Now that we have all the chicken within the Instant Pot, we're going to go ahead and change the settings to poultry and add the lid. And the thing that I love about this Instant Pot is that it automatically knows the timing in which it needs to cook. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare my sides. I am making some zucchini today, and I'm going to make these into semi-thin slices and add them onto the baking sheet so that I may season. So first I'm going to add some olive oil, and I'm just going to drizzle this all on top of the zucchini. Followed by 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of parsley, half a teaspoon of Season All, and a half a teaspoon of Montreal Steak Seasoning. Once I finish seasoning my zucchini, I'm going to go ahead and mix all that up. And once this is done, we're going to pop this into the oven on 375 for 5 minutes. So now that our chicken is done, we're going to go ahead and add our barbecue sauce. Today I'm going to be using the Hickory Smoke by Kraft. I'll be adding 1 cup, followed by some more of the brown sugar bourbon and the apple cider vinegar. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of honey, and once I've finished adding all of that, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend all those seasonings together. And as you guys can see, my chicken is falling off the bone. And I'm going to just get some of that sauce and pour it on top of the chicken. Guys, go. As you can see, I paired my chicken up with some tomatoes and rice and zucchini, and oh my goodness guys, it turned out so good. It was so delicious. I can honestly say this was the best barbecue chicken I've ever made. So please let me know how you like this if you decide to make it. And if you have any suggestions on any more videos you'd like to see, please like, share, and subscribe, and come back for more videos. Okay, bye.